Hi, crystal lovers. Today I'm going to talk to you about the crystal point and why it's so important, whether you're a beginner or you've been using crystals for years. The crystal point is all about having whatever you want to have in your life be laser focused with the energy going up, up, up. So for example, say you want to manifest something, you want to write a goal, and you write it down and you want to bring it into fruition and you want it to move upward. You want to make something happen. You would put this on top of something that's a goal or a wish or something you want to manifest. But today I want to talk to you about a technique that is called the zipper. And I always do this with crystal points. I've never talked about it before, but I want to talk about it today because you can use a crystal point to open up your energy field so your energy field goes up, 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 and expands. So each crystal point holds a different energy. Today I'm going to talk to you about amethyst and how to open your energy field with the zipper technique. So all you do is you start at the top of your head and you almost imagine yourself using the point going down your body like you're taking down a zipper, all the way down to your feet. You're going to take the zipper and you're going to then open up your energy field and see your whole energy field opening up. So the zipper opens you up. Then what I will do is I take the amethyst, I put it over my third eye, and I say out loud what I want to manifest. I am connected to my intuition. You say it 3 times. I'm connected to my intuition. I'm connected to my intuition. Take a few moments holding your crystal point and really visualize yourself being intuitive, tapping into your inner power, listening to your gut. Visualize yourself in this energy field. And when you feel that you have this energy that is so empowered with what you want to do with your intuition, you imagine it sealing around you, and then you take and you zipper up the energy, back up your body, bam, and now you have that in a sealant within your energy body close. The zipper technique is very powerful, and you could use it with a whole bunch of different crystal points. So these are 7 crystals that you can use with the zipper crystal technique. Amethyst helps you to connect with your intuition. Citrine is what you want to use for money and abundance, opening yourself up to limitless potential. I like to use red jasper to open you up so that you have a strong willpower, you move beyond procrastination, and you take action. Quartz crystal is amazing when you want to have more clarity, when you want to have certainty in your life, and you want to be crystal clear. Apatite is amazing when you're working on things that have to do with monitoring and managing your weight, making yourself take health as a priority, and staying inspired. Green fluorite is when you want to connect with your heart, heal aspects of your heart, bring more self-love into your life, and to bring the energy of love with other people, relationships, friendships, and most importantly, love of self. And lastly, blue lace agate. If you want to open up to peace, wellness, your meditation practice, and staying calm and anxiety-free, blue lace agate is a beautiful stone for the zipper technique.